You're looking at a 1972 Pontiac Lemans convertible, GTO clone. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Had a complete frame off restoration. The paint and bodywork on this car is an absolute 10. All of the gaps, the paint, the body, everything on this car is completely rust free. It's beautiful, it's been done correctly. We have all the paperwork that goes with this car. We have the original build sheet, the PHS, everything that goes with this car. Car runs like a bear. It's a 400. Power top, top's brand new. Trunk is beautiful, underneath is beautiful. This car is laser straight. All the gaps are perfect. Every bit of this car has been done over. All the panels were painted off the car. The paint is an absolute 10 out of 10. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Automatic, beautiful. Inside and out is a 400. Car is gorgeous. No expense spared in the restoration of this car. The bodywork is absolutely outstanding. Doesn't get any better. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We do specialize in unique, specialty, classics. We do take trades, any type of trades, boats, motorcycles, cars, vans, trucks, late model or old cars. And this car is immaculate. Find one this straight, it is unbelievable. And you can hear the car's running, it runs like a bear. Everything, the wheel wells are perfect. I mean, there is no rust anywhere on this car. Door jams. Everything is brand new on this car. Brand new. Gorgeous red. It has this cream color interior. It's all brand new. Everything is all brand new. The dash is perfect. Again, we have all the original paperwork on this car. Everything about the history on this car since new. The car came originally from Oklahoma and spent some time in Missouri, and now it is here in Florida. But the underneath is rock solid. Car was a frame off rotisserie restoration. It was done in 2006 and then stored inside a climate control garage since. As you can see, the paint is absolutely flawless. The engine compartment is done perfectly. Absolutely beautiful car. I mean, stunning. The chrome is about an 8 out of 10. Nice, clean shape. Back bumper's great. One little blemish here on the rear wing and one here. It was touched up, can barely see it. Other than that, I mean, the gaps on this car are pretty much perfect. They did an amazing job fitting this car after the restoration. All the gaps are very nice. Hard to find one that has had this type of restoration. I mean, the car is bad. Drive around town, thumbs up everywhere. Starts and runs every time. Power brakes. Disc brakes, power steering. The car originally came with air. It does not have air now. It can be added. All of the plumbing is there. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions, or visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. We are happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. It's a gorgeous Pontiac. The trunk is brand new, done properly, brand new underneath. Car is brand new inside and out. Look at that. It's not some rinky-dink body shop job. This car was done absolutely properly. Look inside the door jambs. Brand new in there. Brand new carpet, brand new seat covers, original parts group stuff, not cheap stuff. This is the real deal, everything. Top is brand new, black top, works perfectly, power. It does have a vintage radio, works perfectly. Awesome, awesome car. Give us a call, send us a text, 954-561-2499. Look how that door shuts, like a safe. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. Another gorgeous car, absolutely stunning. It's a 400, bore 30 over. Have all the paperwork that came with this car since new. Good, healthy stack of paperwork. Build sheet. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken, or text us, or visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com or SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Thank you.